Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to get started mining Bitcoin on your own with the latest ASIC miner. Bitcoin mining is the process of validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain. It requires powerful hardware, like ASIC miners, to solve complex mathematical problems. The first step is to choose the right ASIC miner. Look for one with high hash rates and low power consumption to maximize your mining potential. Once you have your ASIC miner, it's time to set it up. Connect it to a power source in your computer. Make sure you download the mining software compatible with your hardware. Next, you need to join a mining pool. Mining alone can be challenging, so being part of a pool allows you to combine your computing power with others for a better chance of mining Bitcoin. Now it's time to configure your mining software. Enter the pool's address, your username, and password. Make sure to adjust the settings for optimal performance. Before you start mining, it's crucial to have a Bitcoin wallet. This is where your mined Bitcoins will be stored. Choose a secure and reliable wallet that suits your needs. Finally, start your mining rig and let it work its magic. You'll be contributing to the Bitcoin network while potentially earning Bitcoin rewards. Remember, Bitcoin mining requires patience and dedication. The mining difficulty can fluctuate, so it's essential to stay updated on industry trends. Thank you for watching our step-by-step guide on starting your own Bitcoin mining journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.